In the world of technology, the concept of coding has long held a significant place, serving as the universal language of developers. However, with the dawn of cognitive coding, we are ushering in a new era where artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in reshaping how software development skills are enhanced. This narrative explores how AI not only augments current programming methodologies, but also empowers developers to achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation. To truly appreciate the impact of cognitive coding, it is essential to understand the traditional landscape of software development. Traditionally, developers rely heavily on their expertise, experience, and dexterity with programming languages to build functional applications. This process, though effective, can often be time-consuming and laden with repetitive tasks. Here's where AI steps in as a revolutionary tool. With capabilities such as natural language processing and machine learning, AI can now assist in writing complex code, identifying bugs, and even optimizing algorithms, thus transforming developer assistance from a manual process to an automated one. One of the most notable benefits AI brings to the table is its ability to enhance skill acquisition. AI-driven platforms and tools offer real-time feedback and recommendations, thus enabling developers to learn and adapt quickly. These systems use vast data sets to discern programming patterns, providing insights that would be almost impossible to achieve for an individual developer alone. For instance, a coder working on optimizing search algorithms might receive AI-generated suggestions to improve efficiency, accelerating the learning curve. Moreover, artificial intelligence encourages a deeper understanding of coding principles by acting as a mentor that is available anytime. With AI-powered platforms, developers, irrespective of their experience levels, have the opportunity to experiment with new languages or frameworks under the guidance of AI assistants. This continuous learning process is crucial for personal growth and skill enhancement in the ever-evolving domain of technology. Furthermore, the collaboration between human intuition and artificial intelligence leads to enhanced creativity in software development. AI tools can generate numerous variations of code solutions that human developers can refine, offering a novel approach to innovation. This not only speeds up the development cycle, but also fosters an environment where developers are free to explore and implement imaginative solutions without being bogged down by mundane, repetitive tasks. As we draw towards the conclusion of our exploration into cognitive coding, it is paramount to acknowledge the symbiotic relationship between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. While AI excels at pattern recognition and suggesting data-driven strategies, it relies on human creativity and intuition to make sense of those strategies within real-world contexts. Together, this partnership holds the potential to transform software development into a more streamlined, efficient, and enriching practice. Thus, in the grand tapestry of technological evolution, cognitive coding stands as a beacon illuminating the path forward. It encourages us to envision a future where AI-driven advances not only bolster our existing skill sets, but also pave the way for new methodologies and paradigms in software development. This is the promise of AI, not to replace but to enhance, not to overshadow but to illuminate the uncharted potential of the human mind in perfect harmony with machines.